Hi, I'm Spencer, an expert builder at Naologic, and today I'll be explaining the inventory management functions. Let's get started.
Inventory management hooks provide powerful tools for managing stock, orders, and inventory movements. These functions help streamline workflows by automating essential inventory-related processes. To add any of these functions, first locate the action you want the function added to, click Edit, then click Add Function, and press on the header of the new function that was added. Look for the Inventory Management subcategory, and you'll find a wide range of functions that you can add. The Identify Stock function computes stock availability for specific items identified by unique attributes. The Purchase Order function performs calculations on purchase orders, such as total sales and applicable taxes. The Sales Orders function computes the values associated with sales orders, ensuring that all prices, taxes, and discounts are accurately reflected. The Calculate Stock Availability for Order function checks if the required stock is available to fulfill a specific order. The Complete an Inventory Movement function finalizes the movement of stock from one location to another within the inventory system. The Purchase Order Dropship function verifies and finalizes purchase orders designated for dropshipping. The Purchase Order from Warehouse function confirms warehouse-related purchase orders, ensuring accurate stock updates and fulfillment. The Confirm Sales Order function validates and finalizes a sales order, marking it as required. The Consume Quantity from Document function initiates an inventory movement, transferring stock between locations or within the system for better inventory management. The Create Identified Stock function generates unique stock updates, supporting precise tracking. The Debug Entries for Items function helps track inventory movements by auditing sales documents to ensure accuracy and compliance with business rules. The Generate Bill from Purchase Order function creates a bill based on a purchase order, streamlining financial workflows. That's the end of our quick tutorial on inventory management hooks. You can check out our other documentation videos or reach out to the team and me with any recommendations for future help articles to help speed up your workflow.